when we are making coffee, he wants an Americano. We are going to dose out the coffee. We'll do this. This is called dosing out coffee. Then we put off the excess one. Then this is a tamper. We'll tamp the coffee to make an easy flow of espresso. To make an easy flow of espresso, after tamping, we'll put into the group head. Then we'll do this. So this is coffee coming out. Stop. Since he wants an Americano, this is where hot water comes out from. Then we do this. Because he wants without sugar, we won't put any sugar in. Then after covering, we are good to serve our coffee.